Welcome to another brand new episode of Live Forex Trading with your host, Peeling Mindset. Welcome. We are back again. This is the 10th of November, the second week of this month, and we are here one more time. And it looks like pairs are moving, so we are back. It feels good to be back. Kind of feels good to be back. I mean, man, we had a lot of festivals going on last month, and I had to take off. Nepalese festival, right? So it was an off day. That was fun. Yeah, that was actually good. We had a lot of fun. All right, so we are back again. We're gonna break down the chart from high time frame to lower time frame. We're gonna look at GJ right now. So GJ has been pretty bearish. Wow. Yeah, I'm actually anticipating a selling sort of a bias to play out here, so we will see what's going to happen. So looking at the pound yen right now from a monthly sort of a perspective, previous monthly candle closed bullish. Obviously people would be expecting a bullish follow-up in this month, and this monthly candle in the first half is obviously retracing lower as expected. It's in about that 50% mark at this point in time, right? So which is kind of interesting to see how this monthly candle is going to move finally towards its end. And right now, pretty monthly candle pretty bearish, obviously, after rejecting this monthly resistance. So let's go to the weekly time frame and see what's happening from a minor or smaller detailed sort of a time frame, right? So right now, look at this. So from a weekly sort of a perspective in pound yen, pound yen's weekly candles are actually rejecting this resistance at this point in time, rejecting it pretty clearly. And previous weekly candle was bearish the first half of the first week of the month, November. And the second week of the November is doing something similar, kind of making a liquidity wick on the top. We still have 2 days remaining for the candles to move in its original direction. And if the direction is on the downside, we do have a support that can be targeted. So if the price is rejecting the top, more than likely it's going to go down all the way down till this level, right? So we are keeping that level in mind. Being said that, we do have clear traffic all the way down till here, so I'm not going to anticipate the price to hit this level today, but this could be a possible target. Now when we go to the daily time frame, what we can see is clearly, look at the daily time frame candles breaking support, retesting the support, breaking support. I mean, we're just pushing down another resistance here, a potential resistance. We do have clear traffic on the left hand side all the way down to 152, 140, and 151 at 300. So my bias right now from a daily sort of a perspective is a sell. It's not a buy yet. As long as price stays below 153.775 from a daily perspective, it's a sell. Now, if I have to go into the 4-hour time frame, what I can see is we are actually bouncing off this 152.690 support. It's kind of playing around this area. So let's see how many times has the price tried to break this level, right? So when we look into the 4-hour time frame, pound yen candles obviously have tried once, twice. This is the thrice. This is the fourth time. The price has tried 4 times to break this level. Potentially it's not breaking that level because there isn't that enough volume which could drive the price. So today we have a USD news event, CPI and core CPI. Obviously it's not directly related to pound yen, but we might see a lot of volume after the news release, and this is happening only 30 minutes after the market open. So right now, this is the pre-New York session, as we know, and obviously we have seen markets move pretty well around pre-New York and New York market open times. So it's going to be interesting how the market's going to actually move. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my terminal. I'm trying to set up my terminal here. Alrighty. All right, perfect. All right, so now at this point in time, as we talked about, if I have to wait for sales, I'm going to wait for sales below 152.690 since there's a clear traffic on the left hand side, and the range on the downside is in about 50 pips. I would love to capitalize on a 50 pips range, 100%. All right, so the 2-hour candle is going to close in the next 15 minutes. and the candles are showing some sort of bearish characteristics here. It's obviously rejecting this level several times. So if it's actually trying to break this level several times, more than likely our volume time is going to be today's Wednesday's session, or more than likely tomorrow Thursday's New York session, right? So if it's going to be today's session, I'm obviously waiting for a candle close below this level. If a 30 or a 15-minute candle closes below 152.690, I'm definitely going to take a sell. So the 2-hour candle is going to close in the next 15 minutes. It's actually important to see how the candles are going to close, because this right now for me is a no trade range. Okay, simply this area right here, dun, 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 is a no trade range. Right here, no trade range.
Hello, hello,
Hello, hello.
hello,
How's it going?
hello. It's me. Sound and
Hey.
alive.
आगे देखिए मैं बोल रहा था तेरी आवाज सुनने से मेरे
Islam, anyways, bro, what's up, what's up?
What's up, my boy? What's up?
All good, all good, good, good. Oh,
Good.
it's here. What's up, bro?
Who's here?
Mr. Reef, Mr. Reef is here.
Aha.
Hello, hello, hi, hello guys.
Yeah.
Hello, hello, hello.
How you been, guys?
Good.
Very
Reef,
good,
how
very
you
good.
been? How you been? Good.
I was working on some side projects since last week, so been a little bit busy.
Aha.
Working
Nice.
full time as well, but yeah. With
Sounds
you
interesting.
guys. Yeah, how you guys been so far?
Good.
Yeah,
Pretty
alright.
good.
Alright.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Nice, good to know that. Are you guys doing the live session today, or
Life is
Yes.
Anand, you doing?
Yes, sir.
did you guys do? Okay, wonderful.
Oh, Nick is
Yesterday I was about.
Sorry? Kevin, did you say anything?
Hello, Nick, why is your voice so small? Hello.
Is it still small?
Yep, it's quite small.
Oh, I don't know what happened. This-
My mouse's battery is dying here.
Wow.
This
Give some volume.
nice to see you, boys. Nice to see you, boys. We got Reef in the house. We got Kevin in the house. We got Nikesh in the house. Beautiful. Beauty.
Beauty. Yep.
Beauty.
How did the daylight saving affect you guys? I want to know that.
Oh my
Bruh.
god, man.
Oh, what's up with that?
It's the worst right now. It's the
Huh?
worst.
Did it
It's
want to go up or down?
Oh my god. That's right. Yeah, we might probably just come to Canada at this point in time. just for
Oh,
the time's
shit.
sake.
Oh shit, man.
I mean, for London it's alright, but for New York it's like quite late.
It's
12
crazy
a.m.
late for you guys. Yeah.
Yep.
But man, you can't really miss that session because money's there, right? So you can't really miss that.
the
Closing zero.
London session? Are you talking about London Reef?
No, the New York session, like the volume's there, the
Oh,
money's
no,
there, so you
no,
can't really miss
exactly.
that session. Doesn't matter how late it gets, you have to you have to be active there.
That's right. Yeah.
Man, I'm so sorry for you guys.
No, it's a good. It's just what it is. You know, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
That's right. Yep.
Yeah, just 1 hour here and 1 hour there. I mean, in the morning, so you will adjust.
Yeah. Not that bad, to be honest. I'm not gonna be here for the NYSE. That's too late. But New York Open in 15-30 minutes after, it's okay. It's kind of okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Nikas, what you looking at, Nikas?
GJ
Nikki,
just
bro. GJ.
GJ gold is just, I don't know what gold is doing. I'm just going to ignore gold for today because there's a news like around 12:30.
Yeah, that's right. Gold is
Yeah.
kind of bullish, but again, it's near this daily resistance, right?
Mhm.
So yeah, it's kind of funny.
Yeah.
And the 30-minute is the worst right now. If you look at the 30-minute, it's you don't want to touch it anywhere. You don't want to touch it here. You don't want to touch it here. You know.
Give me a sound, I give up. I don't know. What did I do? Uh-oh. Sound आया कटा?
Yes, yes.
Yep. Okay. Oh, good. Yep. I think I'm gonna cut GU. I'm out of GU. Okay.
Yeah. Gee, did you take sales?
Yep.
Nice. Beautiful.
Just 25. Not much.
The G was beautiful.
Oh.
Beautiful.
A really good trade, yeah.
1.3530 entry.
Did you catch that trade, bro?
No, I actually was not around my PC this London session. Couldn't catch it. This was a London move right here.
Yep. I think I'm gonna buy GJ.
Yeah, GJ. Are you gonna wait? Are you waiting for a GBPJPY?
Yep.
Aha.
I think I'm not sure. I am not sure. It's quite rangy.
All right, we are 1 hour away from the market opening. 1 hour. All right, so what is the time in Halifax right now? Halifax.
Hey, it's around exactly 8:01.
Uh-huh. Wow. Man, oh
Yeah.
man, this is the best. The
Yeah, I
best
woke
timing.
up around 7:30. Yeah. If you don't mind waking up early.
Oh
Too
man,
early
this
to be
is this
active.
is early. Come on, you kidding me, right, Reap?
Yep, too early to be active.
I mean,
God
I woke
damn.
around 7:30-ish, so early for me though.
I wish I could sleep at 7 in the morning and wake up afternoon at 2.
Oh man, I did that in the pandemic time, couple of months. Feels bad. It's like you know that shameful walk when you go home drunk or high.
Yeah. Yep.
So it feels
I
like
can
that
one.
after waking up.
It's just that it's so quiet when you're like up, so that's why it's like good for me.
Oh yeah, like you feel good when you go to sleep, but when you wake up, it's like, hey, it's afternoon already. Sometimes it used to be close to evening. Yeah.
Yeah, that's alright. I'm used to being in the opposite time frame.
All right, boys. We might catch some GSL here.
These are cells.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
noise. Oh yeah, I cannot see nothing. GJ. I can only see buys all the time there. Nick is also looking for buys or sells.
Sales, but I'm just looking, like below 150 to 800. Not right now.
800. I did
Yeah.
800.
Yeah, 10 more pips. I don't like this.
Wow.
Yeah, not the best price action, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like you just have, too much. It's just like too much traffic to the left.
Actually, right now is also good.
Like when the market opened on Monday, like it opened around like 150 to 700 pushed up, and then there's a huge fake out on 30-minute around like London Open, and then same thing around like 3 in the morning yesterday. Oh man, I just want a clear range.
Uh-huh.
Can I ask you boys a question?
Sir.
In a 1 hour and a 30-minute time frame, it's giving a strong confirmation for a sell right now. Like the bias is a sell. So why are you guys speculating that this is gonna be like risky or not so good trade right now?
For me, it's like if you just look it to the left, like if you just zoom in, to the today's, like if you just zoom in, then you 30-minute and 1 hour kind of makes sense. But if you zoom out and then if you see the entire candle structure from Monday, I think it's a bit more cleaner if the candle closes below 150 to 800, because after that the traffic, like yeah, it's just clean.
That's right. Yep. Just to add to that point, I think if it's a risky, because it's in a no trade range, and we don't want to trade in a risky no trade range, right? I mean, risky is just a part of it. It's just a part of trading, but you want to stay away from a dirty range. So, for example, this is a dirty range. You want to stay away from it. Dirty range, dirty range. Once the price starts breaking below, closing below especially, man, we are definitely pushing down. No doubt on it. And we want to look into that more than anything else.
And it's just 10 pips. Like, it is not more like 20, 30 pips, but it's just like 10, 9 pips. So I think it's better to wait. This trade can play out like if you actually take sells and then, but again, if you just wait 10 pips, the sales signal will be much more clear.
That's right. Yeah. You don't want to take a trade in a 10 pips range. No.
Yeah, thank you, Nikesh. Thank you, Anush. That actually made
No
sense.
worries, no worries.
So I'm looking for buys.
Any juicy news coming out or came out already?
Oh yeah, we had this Bailey's speech like in around yesterday. So midway through North American session times, yeah, we had Bailey speaking, and we had this Canadian Bank, the Bank of Canada, Macklem was speaking about something. Not sure what that was about, but we do have CPI and core CPI news event tonight. Also unemployment claims, so I think it's gonna move the market. These
Employment
three,
claim should, yeah.
yeah, exactly.
And CPI.
That's the anticipation here. So
Dual 30 news. Dual 30 news. On the fix of pound JPY.
all right. We are 15 minutes away from the market open, and pound yen is slowly pushing down, which is good. Want to see candle close below this 152.690 level. That'll be best. That will be
152.
690.
690. I also want to take it now, but what? Nothing. 150 to 800. Strong support. I will wait for that to break and then I'll look for sells. 150 to 800. Yep, 800 is shit.
That's a really good support line.
Yeah. I want that to be broken and then I will even wait for 5 minutes to test over there to take a sell. But I feel like the whole 4 hour is gonna like go make a wick down and then come back up at 150-300.
Right, Nikesh has sent a chart through. Let's just have a look at Nikesh's chart. He's looking at the rejection. That's right. Sales below 150 to 700. Almost about same idea. That's actually right. I mean, yeah. For me, what I'm reading is the market structure. Obviously, the most recent market structure on a higher time frame is a selling structure, and what happens is oftentimes when it has a big move for a certain pair like pound, yen, gold, what it does, it ranges side by side just so that it can continue the trend. So when is going to be the likely time it's going to continue the trend? Or probably a volume day, right? And this is a volume day. The first week of the month has passed already. And what a nice excuse to range, right? So the first week of the month. And this is the second week of the month, and this is the Wednesday high volume session time. Wednesday New York session. I mean, if it's not going to be today, more than likely it's going to be tomorrow. Thursday's New York session, which is going to break this range, and we're going to start pushing down. So my bias right now is a sell, unless price starts breaking 153,775. So it's pretty clear. Would love to see a candle close. That way we'll be more confident on seeing a proper break, because obviously price on an hourly time frame, we can clearly see that it has tried. This is the first attempt that the price made to break this level. Second attempt, third attempt. This is the fourth attempt. If this is going to be the fourth attempt to break the price, I mean, it's kind of anticipated to see price breaking that level. But if it's not going to be fourth attempt, probably fifth or sixth, right? So we're kind of waiting to see if sales are going to play out and waiting to catch those sales.
That's a really dirty area.
Yep.
Prefer to buy. I'm still preferring to buy over here.
Well, Kevin has sent a chart through. Kevin is looking at a daily retest. All right.
Oh, seems alright, because I just want this 4 hour to respect and then make some other bullish variation thing, and then yep, I'll enter on the 1 hour.
Aha.
Did you guys trade pound yen yesterday?
Yep, took a loss yesterday too.
Took a loss?
Yeah. First
Sorry,
I took
guys.
profit and then took a less. I think I took 3 trades yesterday. Okay, I don't know.
Boys, the daily candle is looking so beautiful for a push down. Look at the daily candle. Daily candle is actually looking the best. Yesterday's daily candle closed bearish with a wick on the downside showing continuation. Today's daily candle has a huge wick on the top, which is a nice sign, obviously, to push down. So we just need the candle to push with New York volume here.
Yeah, I think once we start breaking in yesterday's low, we should just continue.
That's right.
Yeah. You stop there. UJ. UJ. Any thoughts on UJ?
UJ?
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, UJ should be just pushing up because fundamentally, yesterday, I think not yesterday, was it yesterday? PPI was pretty good. PPI was good. I mean, we will see. I mean, CPI is going to be one of the things that the market's going to wait for, unemployment claims. They're actually expecting good numbers, right? So CPI, good number, core CPI, good number forecast, unemployment claims, good numbers. So all of the news, if it's going to be positive, man, US dollar's just going to strengthen. And if UJ is going to push up, I think this liquidity grab, this ranging on the downside kind of makes sense. So we will see. See J. Yeah. Yeah.
Seems like a sell, but not yet.
Not yet. Exactly. Not yet.
Not enough confirmation, so that's why.
Oh, wow. Look at GU. GU was the best.
Is gold showing a little bit bullish move, guys?
That was gold. Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't
gold.
look at gold.
Gold is super rangy right now. Super duper rangy, but yeah, gold might just push up.
Buy it's gonna be better at 1831.60.
I feel like it's gonna go down. It's like double top on there. And then daily looks. Ooh, even the daily is like the major resistance area. Like, you never know.
Yeah.
It just visited that area and it's heading down. Wow, seems like it's gonna go down, but let's see. I'm not so it's not yet broken to the downside, so it's not yet ready.
Yeah, I'm just waiting.
News here. Maybe the news is gonna do something.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I'm just waiting for gold to kind of break this 1831.60 level on a daily level. Yeah. So after that, we might start pushing up. There's a clear traffic, you know. It kind of makes sense to push up gold above 1831.60. Right. Got this game here. Let's play a game. Play a game.
Oh, what's that? Is it like a hoot?
What's a hoot?
A hoot. It's like a quiz game, but with teams, with like music and like pictures. Yeah, it's a.
All right.
Yeah, there's like different topics. You can choose like Marvel or Bollywood or like geology. So yeah.
Oh, this looks like Kevin. Kevin, is this you, bud? Is this you, bud?
Okay, I
Yeah.
haven't seen. Wait, I'm not looking. Just give me a
This
second.
actually looks like Nepal, man. This looks like Nepal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where?
Looks
Where
looks
is
like
me? Where?
here.
That's not.
This macho guy is you
Okay, I didn't see.
right
No,
here.
you're just showing me the road.
Oh, this
No.
guy here. Look at this.
Are you guys seeing his? Okay.
Oh, let's just
How the hell do I look like that?
let's just guess. Where is this? Could be Asia, right? I'm saying
Yeah,
this guy is you because he's got a similar short. Similar shorts like yeah. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Bro, you're drunk.
What do you think this is?
Looking for shells. It's you. You.
Actually looks like Nepal, right?
Yeah, slipper. Look at the
Yeah.
slipper. It's just like in Nepal or
Nepalese,
India.
yeah, Nepalese slipper.
Nope. Nepal is. Hey, we used to wear those. Those are the best.
Yeah, exactly. Oh man, is this like a packet of condoms in the middle of jungle? Oh my god. No.
That's
What
a
is this, by
slipper.
the way?
What did you say? What did you say, Reef?
What is this, by the way? The whole.
All right, so
It's
we got to guess where is this place in the whole entire Earth. We got to guess where is this place, and if we get it close by, I mean that's amazing, right?
Bro, that's fucking impossible, bro.
Beautiful.
Guess the world. Maybe you can say guess the country's name out of the world map.
No, that's true.
You're showing the map and guessing like where is this out of the world? I mean, it's not even the wonders of the world or some famous place. It's just a
Oh,
middle of the
no.
road to nowhere.
No, they actually play like when I was watching, there was a big Dota 2 game like tournament, and then they used to play in between. Like people actually get it right. They actually almost pinpointed.
That's right. No,
Oh, wow.
Mandish.
Yeah.
Mandish
They-
used
they
to point it
actually
out too. Mandish
Yeah.
used to be like pinpoint.
So look at the video I sent, the YouTube channel. It's of Nepal drinking. It's so good.
Oh yeah, but I can't play it right now. I can't play it
Why?
because of the YouTube.
Oh, you're live on YouTube.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. I thought you were just doing live over here. Lol.
But this guy is just too lonely. He's just walking alone. He's just going on a trail on an underwear, underpant. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, by himself. So it's like a mountain kind of place. Pretty high.
Yeah. We have a lot of these places in our country, Oh wow.
Yeah, like I heard Nepal is beautiful.
It's actually beautiful. A lot of terrain, a lot of jungles, huge mountains. Pretty good. I think Bangladesh has a lot of terrain as well. No?
Oh yes, it does.
Oh.
Nowhere near the capital city, but on the sides, yeah, a lot, huge mountains. But I wanna, at least my dream is like to ride motorcycle in the terrain of Nepal.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
should
hopefully I'm
definitely-
gonna visit Nepal. Hopefully I'll try and catch it next year, at the end of next year, because I do one trip per year. Yeah.
All right.
Because doesn't he sound like Ted?
Sorry.
Doesn't he sound like Ted? Riff?
Who?
Who?
You?
Like
What?
Ted?
Yeah.
Did you say it sound like Ted?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know what? I haven't really heard the guy before, so I can't really say
Oh,
for sure.
Ted. Yeah. Exactly.
Because the laugh is similar.
Yeah.
The laugh is similar.
Uh-huh.
Oh god.
All right, guys, guess where is this place? Let's just say this is
Yo, unless it's like saying,
Bro, you're
you know,
literally
on a
showing India.
signboard.
Mongolia. Let's say
You're literally
Mongolia.
showing. Honest, you're literally showing the map and you're like guessing where is that.
Let's say Mongolia. And it's
Mongolia. All right,
somewhere
let's go.
at- yeah.
Mongolia, green place. Maybe this, right?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Yeah.
Mongolia. Oh, like 6,000 kilometers away. Is it in Italy?
Where is it? God damn.
God damn. People in Italy
Wow.
walk half naked with shorts.
We should have guessed, man. Damn.
Damn. That's right. Oh my god. Let's see.
Every time you see half-naked people, go to Europe.
Go to Europe. Yeah, that's right. Oh, where is this? All right, this is something in Spanish. Orca del Inca, Cerro Nino, Calvario.
Oh, this is definitely
Uh,
gonna be like some kind of like Mexico or maybe
Yeah,
Colombia.
Mexico.
Colombia. Yeah.
South America.
South America,
Somewhere around
right?
South
Yeah.
America, yeah.
This can also be you know, like Spain as well.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Oh wow, looks like Italy, man. It just looks like Italy, to be honest.
But it should be Italy, yeah.
Let's go with okay, guess, guys. You gotta guess. South America, right?
Mm,
South America.
Yeah.
So, what it's gonna be? Argentina, Chile,
Not Argentina.
something with C.
Might be. Yeah.
Something with C. I'll guess.
I'm not even looking at your screen.
Colombia?
I'm looking at trades. But there's no trade at all today.
I know.
Shit.
All right, let's go
Yeah.
with Colombia's Cali.
Mhm.
Ready?
Ali Cartel
Yeah.
should be. Can be Mexico
Oh.
too.
It's actually
Oh, no.
pretty close. Look at this. Was like 2,000 kilometers away.
Oh, Peru.
Hey,
That's pretty close.
they're just here, in the middle. All right. Okay. Another one.
I guess
Wow.
Brazil in my mind, but then I was like, it can be anything right now. In that range.
Oh wow! Look at the pagoda style temple. It's be Nepal. This one. Who knows?
Mm-hmm.
I think this is Iraq.
Oh.
Iraq. I don't know.
Yeah, it's gotta be you see that's I think it's a mosque on
Mhm.
the left side, so should be in the Middle East.
Middle East, right?
Those that mountain range with hot sun on top. Yeah.
So is it gonna be Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan? What do you guys think?
Afghanistan?
Afghanistan? All right.
Might be.
It's overwhelmed
Yeah.
everything. I can feel it all right now.
All right.
I
Let's
feel
go
it
with
all, but
Kabul.
it's in my stomach.
Kabul.
Everything.
Oh, gotta wait for 9 seconds. On YouTube, right? On YouTube, there's a guy called Kali Das, and he's saying, "This is Kali from India." Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
Are you sure, Kali? Oh, look at this. 1,000 kilometers away.
Pretty close.
That's pretty cool.
Iran, yeah.
Yeah. That was somewhere in Iran. That was a really good guess. So Reef said there was a mosque, right?
Yes.
All right, now. Where is this? Wow.
Go a little bit towards the mountain. I saw a couple of favelas, which is slum in I think in Spanish.
Aha.
I learned that from Fast and Furious.
All right.
Yeah.
Did you say towards the hill like this?
Yeah, so those houses on the hills. Uh, not Australia,
No, not
not
Australia.
not
Oh,
Europe.
oh my god, look at the pole. Somebody's broken the pole. Shit. Oh my god.
Not Australia, not Europe, not. You know what? It can be South America again,
No,
maybe.
yeah, it looks like South America. That's right. Looks South America.
I thought that was a woman in orange sari.
No, even me. I thought the same. I thought the same, yeah.
Shit. Look at the disappointment. I found a man in a jumpsuit.
Oh my god.
Shit.
Oh, what is this? Is this like an animal? No.
No, it's gotta be garbage. That's why
Yeah.
the jumpsuit man is there.
Yeah, that's right. Let's see if we can get some sort of clue here. All right. Oh, this is a nice car. Okay. Oh, there's some water. Must be South America, yeah. I think I
Is
just
that
saw-
water?
Is that water? Yeah, looks like water. Or it must be a stadium or of some sort. No,
This can be Mexico too.
all right. What do you guys think? Mexico, Brazil.
I'll go with Mexico.
So let's go with Mexico City. Mexico City. All right, so we are 3,000 kilometers away. So the place is called. Oh my god.
What?
The place
Is
is
that-
called Anguilla. Oh my.
Is that
god.
even a thing? I never heard this ever.
I know. It's called Leeward Islands. Right, this belongs to UK or something? No. Oh wow. Oh, this is pretty close to Puerto Rico. Puerto Rica. Yeah.
Oh, Dominican Republic is away from the South America. I thought it was in South America, where it's like detached and it's an island.
Yeah.
Mm,
Go another round. Alright, so pound yen, previous hourly candle closed bearish with the wick on the downside. Current hourly candle feeling that wick. 30-minute candles did make a resistance here, somewhere around here. At this point in time, it's looking okay for sale. Not very confident. Would love to see a candle close below 152.690 for a better opportunity right there. On gold, on the other hand, pretty rangy. The market's going to open up in the next 7 minutes. So keeping my alert, and we're just roaming around the globe right now. Oh, the same guy. Must be Italy. Yeah. Let's go with Italy, right? Italy.
I think it's the same road.
Yeah. Maybe halfway down the road, he was too hot. He opened everything, you know? Yeah. That's
Might be.
what it looks like. Let's go with
Yeah.
Latinas. Oh, wow. 400 kilometers away.
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. The same guy. He's just roaming around. I think the game belongs to him, you know? This game belongs to him.
Oh,
Oh, I like this game. It's a beautiful game.
Yeah. It's all gone now. I gotta somehow find it again. Oh, let's see if I can find it. Dun, dun, dun. Create account to play. Explorer mode. All right. Not collecting medals. All right. Yep. We like the medals.
Is it gold medals?
Oh, you need an account. Need an account. Let's see if I can just go back. All right, we got it. Got it again.
You can also try the Kahoot game. It's not bad.
Kahoot? How do you say it?
Kahoot, KAHOOT.
KHOOT. Kahoot.
Yeah, that one with the exclamation.
All right. The game-based learning
Yeah,
platform uses education tool. Kahoot, Kahoot, Kahoot.
so over here, you can make a game. So you can go back, I guess. Like you can be the, let's say, like you'll be the organizer
All
of
right.
that game. Yeah, so just choose one platform.
Two, three, four, five, six. Okay. Kahoot. Kahoot. Kahoot Academy.
You have to make a game, like the games are already preset, but you have to just start one from your side,
Okay.
from your side, and then it's just something that we are gonna just type in the pin and start.
Okay.
The same pin for all of us. Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. But how do we make the game? Just here? Create?
Yeah.
Pause, host, and share. Buy now. Demand.
Oh, there's a play button, you know, like on top right.
Is that it? Hey. All right.
Top right. Yeah, that one.
I play Kahoot in the bank like almost
Right
8
now.
months ago. No, it's more colorful. It gives you like the choices, what games you want to play, and all that.
All right, let's see. Play a Kahoot. A game. Dun, dun, dun. We want to play this game.
Like you don't need the
Yeah.
you don't need the app. It's okay.
This.
Yo, use it. I'm waiting for the buy opportunity. It is just for you.
It's the gold.
Use it
UJ.
for buying. I just wanted to retrace just a little bit.
Are you waiting for that retrace to happen?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Okay, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.
Going.
I'm done for the
Kish is
day. No
heading
trades.
out. Yeah, no
Yeah.
trade, exactly.
GJ just went up. Like,
User went up.
yeah. Like the next
Okay.
candle is, you know.
Oh wow, UJ is pushing up. Beautiful. Before the news.
I had a good day today.
Kevin, this looks like you, man.
Mm. Yeah, everything looks like me, bro. Come on. Everyone looks like me. Come on. You miss
Is
me
it?
that much already.
Ke-
Come.
Kevin's got a universal face, eh?
That's right. Yeah. Yeah. Universal face and universal body.
What are you both on? Like, what did you have before you come on live? Okay, honestly, I know it's like 12 a.m. over here. Yes, you are something. You're high on something. For what about you? You're like 8 in the morning.
8 in the morning with 12 a.m. vibe.
That's right.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Yeah, this I don't know where this is. Like really low mountains. Probably we can climb the mountains. They're really low.
Yeah, the mountain's got some some flakes, some snowflakes on top. So
Yeah,
it's
that's right.
cold.
No interview.
Probably somewhere in Mongolia or maybe Europe. Kevin is
Probably
vibing.
could be Iceland.
Iceland or Iceland? Where is Iceland?
Because you know what? Iceland and Greenland, they should exchange names.
Ah.
Yeah, because Iceland is totally green and Greenland is shitty ice land.
Oh
You know,
yeah,
like
yeah,
it's
yeah.
like full of
Exactly.
bullshit ice.
Exactly. Let's go with
They messed
Iceland.
up the name. Yeah, I think. Let's see what happens.
Oh, 1,000 kilometers away. Oh, it's actually pretty close. Greenland,
Yeah.
Iceland. Yeah.
Look at GZ 1 hour. If it closes like that, and there's like a 15 minutes bullish engulfing, on top of that, I'm taking a buy. Alright, 1 hour looks like a nice rejection over there. Because it's on a 4-hour baseline. It's literally on a 4-hour baseline.
You're thinking of taking a buy?
Yeah. Yes, boss. Looking for a buy.
To what price, sir?
You don't need to share a screen.
Onion buy. All right, it's kind of funny. For me, it's kind of fun. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I couldn't really understand this part. Like, buy from which range to which range? It's... I'm still in the learning phase, so I'm just asking. You know, like how do you justify that trade?
So on a daily, I'm looking at a fee play, right?
Mm-hmm.
So currently it's at around 61.8 fee play. And then on that 61.8 fee play daily, there's previous resistance areas which also acting as support. And right on daily, there's a bullish, it's like bearish, bullish, it's like somewhat respecting that area on a daily, but it's not yet ready on a daily, right? So I'm like on the 4-hour right now. On the 4-hour, I can see an engulfing at that area, which is exactly on the coordinates is 152.960 on the 4-hour. So there's like one big bullish engulfing candle, and then the second time when it does, it showed bullish engulfing as well. And I'm like, okay, that area seems to be like there's a place where buyer at that place buyers are coming in, and that at current 1 hour, like previous 1 hour, is just like kind of desperate that area too. So I'm just like gonna buy based on this zone daily. Oh wait, you know what? I'll just show you. Give me a second.
Yeah, yeah,
Wait, I'll call you
yeah.
back. I'm on my iPad.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Sure.
Call you back. Wait.
All right, we are somewhere in Japan. I think this is Japan.
you,
Yeah.
you guessed it right.
looks
Should
like-
be something Japan or China, maybe something like that.
Yeah, proper housing plan, you know. Oh wow. Is Euro Bluras.
Look on what I see.
Kevin's got a screen to show.
Let's just have a look at Kevin's screen. Alrighty. We are in about 14 minutes away from the market open at this point. 14 minutes away. We're looking at Kevin's screen here. Mr. Kevin Zoo.
You will see my screen. Oh,
Yes.
my internet is very slow.
Yes, sir. We watch your screen.
I can see that.
So what I see is, what I see in the market is just this.
Yeah.
So based on that, I see this move over there. I keep that in mind. Okay. I even look at like that. Okay, many point of relevancy just to keep that area is a good area to just support my bias. I be like that. And then what I do is I go on a 4-hour time frame. For a 4-hour time frame, if I just focus on the current price action, just my current price action, what I say is this. Okay, so this is my daily area which is I'm looking for buy. Currently, this is a zone of 60 pips, which is good to catch a move. And then I see this price action, this buyers coming in. Again, I see this. Okay. Then I go lower time frame. Okay, 1 hour like that is kind of respecting that area. And then on the 15, I just keep on going down.
Yeah, down the time frame.
Yeah, my overall bigger bias is still in my head. It's like that. I'm just looking for a trend. I'm just trying to find a trend.
Yeah, you're seeing the upward trend over there.
So right now,
Since it's going down, since it's gone down already, should retrace back. Okay.
today in London, I looked at this. I took this. After this bullish engulfing, I closed like that. This is my first target.
Nice.
But before that, I took this. Before that, I took this, but I got stopped out. After engulfing. And now it's like gone down. After this, it's like that, right? Went down, but it seems like it's just testing this area again, and it's coming back up. So I'm still for buying bias. So right now it's like based on just simple as this, simple based off this, I'll be like, voila. I would also take this.
Okay. It's a really good explanation, Kevin. Beautiful.
But now it's like not so clear, but still I will be looking for buy. Usually in the trading market, this move is like so easy, like this, literally no drama at all. But sometimes if I'm impatient, I go to M5 bullish engulfing, like this, right over there. Sometimes my stops even is like 7. Usually I make it based on 15. On the ranging market, my stops are very tight. Right now, see, I really like this. So right now, I feel like I'm gonna enter right now. Don't feel based on that. But its ranges, I feel like only this much. I think 30 is enough for me. I'll be like that.
And that's based on M5.
Yeah.
Do you take a trade on the low, based on the lower time frame as well?
Wow, this is basically a wow. Why? This volume, because of this volume and this volume. And I'll say this white line is like a good space area for me to take a buy. So that's my bias. And then on M5 and M15, I'm just looking for a bullish variation for me to like interrupt it and put a stop loss. See, there's a bullish variation right at that area, even though it's below, but I'll still be looking for buys. Unless it goes really down and then comes up, then I'll be like, okay, it's a sell, it's a sell. But for the timing, it's like still a buy.
Yep, ladies and gentlemen, that's by Mr. Kevin Ramakarki right there.
Yeah, so I'm sorry, but this is during ranges, so even my bias is very bad. But usually in a trading market, it's always correct, and the
Yeah.
RR is so good.
Hmm. Yeah, no, in the like M15 and then 30 minute. 30 minute is almost the engulfing.
With the 1 hour like that.
And
I mean,
yeah, that one.
so if you see this on a 1 hour, the price has already started moving on the smaller time frame. So I'd be like, you know what, it's ready. Just that. Okay?
Yeah.
Just going above is my into continuation. Above is close.
Yeah. Would you wait for one retrace move or just stay hard on that bias?
Depends. Like how good is the candle closed? How good has the candle closed? Like this on the 15 minutes, the candle has closed so nicely. Like literally this two candle. You look at the engulfing. This is only what I look for. Only engulfing and then buy.
Beautiful.
I've taken this short if I was not explaining. So now
Yeah.
it's already gone right. So now what I'll
Mm-hmm.
do is lower time frame. Simple as this. Just like that. But I'm still looking for
Looks like that's doing a retracement, I think.
I really don't like this easily, so I won't be calling it replacement. I would really prefer for it to go above a little bit and then come back. And then I'll be looking for buys. Even a little bit is okay. But I will not want anything like that on the side. I mean, if I were just looking at this, I'd be like looking for sells. Here is golfing.
Yeah, then you'll just make your bias as sell.
Right now it's like buys, but I prefer not to buy because it's too shitty.
Yeah, in the shitty zone.
Yeah, it's in a city zone. Because earlier I was like that. And I had a tunnel over there somewhere.
Hmm.
Yep, it's 15 minutes.
All right. Boys, we are back in Japan again.
Still
Back
prepare mass.
in, and yeah.
For not really think anything. So not so good. Other pair like these.
Did you look at the other pairs?
I'm just looking at other pair right now. For
Uh-huh.
easy, I would prefer it to be over there and around the trend line to buy. But on the 1 hour seems so good. On the 4 hour is on the buying bias. Okay, this engulfing pattern. My target is up till there, so that's my move that I want to get. But this candle is good. On the lower pattern, I'll be like, oh, okay, where can I enter? Move is where? Move is this big.
It looks like US, right? I think this is. Oh no, not US. Something in. I don't know. European sort of a font. Europe? Is it Europe? Might be Europe. Someplace in Europe.
This is get though. Put that off there.
This place. Are you sure?
Yep.
Kevin, did you say something?
Okay, put people though.
Hey, Anu, isn't that cheating? Going to the billboard.
Oh yeah. Trying to-
Dial that number. What's that area code? Plus 370.
Plus 370, yeah.
God damn, you found the hack.
Yeah. All right. Lithuania. Oh, that's right. Somewhere in Europe. You got it. Right, Lithuania. Right here.
I never knew that this country even existed in Europe. And I thought I had a really good like geographic knowledge, but turns out it's shit.
In about 100 kilometers away. All right, that's good.
Hey Kevin, man, that was beautiful.
Huh?
The kind of journaling that you do, you know, like how you use those tools. I still, like, to be honest, I still didn't give that a chance, like myself, to learn that thing. So I'm gonna send you guys a chart in the group, hopefully by this week. I'm gonna start learning that.
Right, I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm literally writing my journal right now.
You gonna call it a day?
Yep. I'm literally writing in my journal saying that I did not wait for candle confirmation earlier this London session. I'm just like analyzing in London. I'd be like, I wasn't patient enough to wait for candle confirmation today, so that's why I took loss. And then on the GU I got it all back, so I'm like all good.
I made it back.
Yep.
I'm positive. Good.
Yep, made it back and more.
Yeah, this is the same guy from previous island. Do you remember the island? What was the island?
Yeah, it was.
Near Puerto Rico, right?
Yeah.
I think this one. All right. Anguilla. All right, let's go with this one. Valley Anguilla. All right, we make it correct. We choose the correct one. Let's see in the next 9 seconds. All right, Kevin's analysis is playing out in a range. I mean, it's moving well. It's rejecting the bottom. We can clearly see the rejection. I mean, pretty good. Looks like his daily fib analysis is working, but I'm actually waiting for sales. Waiting for sales.
Just close. 14 minutes just close engulfing. Nice.
All right, this is the market open right here. 4-hour candle has 49 minutes left for its close. It's still in that dirty range. Previous hourly candle, previous 2-hour candle closed. All right, so previous 1-hour candle closed bullish. Ooh, that's Reef's mic. Reef, your mic is all dead.
You all dead?
Oh yeah, it's working now. It's working now. Yep. It's working now. All right. Yep. So pound yen is still in that range. Previous hourly candle pushed up, closed with almost sort of a no wick on the top, but did reject the bottom. Clearly reject the bottom now. Obviously looking for a sell below only 152.690. Kind of waiting here.
Yeah, the market opened over here.
All right, it's actually doing what Kevin said. It closed above and a little bit of bounce back. It's gonna be interesting.
It's gonna be interesting. But you never know, it's gonna drop too. Because it is shit. Like I said, it's very shit.
Yeah, it's actually shitty market. Yeah.
Yup. And I took a buy.
Did you take a buy already?
Yup.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Yeah, the market's kind of making a goat shit, right? Like a goat shit. So it's kind of bad market right now.
I would love to see some elephant shit. You know, like big
The
dump.
big shit. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yep.
But goddamn, elephants are all in the jungle, and we're getting goat shit over here, man.
Oh my god. That's right. Elephants shit. Guess what? There's a coffee out there, right? And it's made out of it's actually produced by giving elephants a whole bunch of coffee, and they shit out of the coffee. And it's actually one of the most expensive coffees out there.
What?
Yeah, that's right.
Serious?
Yeah.
Wow. Elephant shit.
Yeah, elephant feces coffee. One of the most expensive coffees out there. Number one most expensive coffee comes from elephant. Number two.
Number two.
that's actually pretty good. Yeah.
I
Oh
like
my
that line.
God.
Yeah. Wow, can't believe it.
I know.
Is it like a really strong drug or something?
No, not sure, but it's actually really famous. So I actually remember watching a Nat Geo sort of a documentary about this, a presentation about this, and the guys were kind of making jokes about it, but they actually drank this expensive coffee. Yeah,
People will eat and drink anything.
that's right. Yep.
Crazy.
Wow. God.
With $250 for that coffee. Oh, at least it's got free delivery. Okay, nice. Hey, it's in Australia.
That's right. Yep. Oh my God. Not sure how much of authenticness is in this coffee, but yep. All right.
I wonder how much is the Australian dollar to CAD.
Almost about the same.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So like one Canadian dollar can buy up to 1.09 Australian dollar.
And $1
So,
equals
almost
to
there.
0.92. Yeah, that's right. Oh, actually, we guessed it almost correct. In about 500 kilometers away.
Yeah, that guy's just not gonna leave that place, man.
Yeah, he just is staying in the same area. He goes in another island, you know, another island. Island people. Barbados. Interesting.
Did you go to any like any world tour or any kind of, you know?
Tours? Oh, not really. I mean, just in within Nepal, and I think Kevin is the one who always goes to tour. He goes to Japan. He goes in Hong Kong. This
Really?
guy, yeah, he's a big time traveler.
I went to Turkey, Istanbul, by road to India,
All right.
South India, and China.
Oh, yeah, actually, Bangladesh is touching Nepal as well. Interesting.
Yeah, it's really like if we want, we can do like a road trip.
That's right. Yeah.
That's why I went to India like a road trip. It was a year and a half. It was in 2019. So
Uh-huh.
next year, hopefully, I'm gonna go somewhere around there. Like Nepal is one of them. After Nepal, I did China and I did India. So Nepal is gonna be next. Then I'm gonna start heading out towards the European side.
Yep. It must be possible, right? So going by road to some of the countries like Europe, it should be possible, isn't it? By road.
Oh, heck no.
No?
I don't want to cross Middle East by road.
Oh my God. Yep.
Uh, yeah, maybe it's not what the media shows. I hope not. Um,
Yeah.
but still, even if it's a 50-50 chance, I'm still gonna catch a plane and then
Yeah. Oh my God.
land close to Europe and then do the road trip.
Uh-huh. Yeah, on YouTube, somebody's asking you a question. It's Sarthak Suri, and Sarthak Suri is saying, "What did you not like about India?" All right, so that's not a very positive question, but yep.
Who asked that kind of question? Like, if someone's traveling, like everyone's wanna have good memories, right?
That's
Of
right.
course.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we're not traveling to pick out the bad things about the place.
Besides
No.
the country, yeah. I mean, the news is already there, to do that shit.
Exactly.
You guys should see Cape Breton. Cape Breton in Nova Scotia. It's the second most visited island and the second most second most popular island in the world. And it's like 4 hours drive from Halifax.
Uh-huh.
Cape Breton, Breton,
8 people
CAPE. Kevin, did you go for the buy, right? Yeah.
Yep, currently in 8 trips.
Nice.
All right. Yep.
Just all
Cape
the way down.
Breton.
So I'm like so happy. I was like, when should I enter? I think I need to wait a retest.
Oh, that's
It's
where the
like-
Sydney is as well. That's where the Sydney is. Ooh, looks like Kevin's position is working now. Beautiful. Yep,
Point
looks-
in 3 is 152,946.
15-minute is looking good for you. 15-minute is actually looking pretty solid.
Yep, 152.946. Fine. Sure. Scalp, so I'm all good. It's a very, very, very rangy.
Yep. Looks like your position is working. Beautiful. Nice.
Did you take any trade yet?
No, no trades.
Waiting.
Waiting, that's right.
Patiently waiting.
Sales, if it's coming, waiting. Looks like Kevin's position is working for now.
Sales. Talking about sales when I'm buys and profit.
That's right, yeah. Yeah, I'm hedging against you. I'm hedging against you, Kev. Hedge.
Still thinking, should I hold till 12:30 or should I not hold till 12:30? It's alright. 1:30 looks saucy.
Like, what's the time over there? Like around 12:11?
Yes.
Oh yeah, around 12:11. Yeah.
Yep.
Over here it's 9:11.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, this looks like Australia. Like Australia. Actually, yep. Looks like Australia.
Yeah, Australia is beautiful.
Got a lot of Asian boards outside. A lot of
The real estate is lit over there.
Yeah, it's
I
actually
heard.
good, pretty good.
You say real estate?
Yeah, I was hearing from a friend of mine. So his friend in Australia, they're making like townhouses, joint
Alright.
townhouses, and each of them they go for like really high price, like at least 400 Australian dollar. Yeah, like 400K.
Yeah, it must be New Zealand. In Australia, we don't have boards like this. We have yellow boards all around.
Yellow. Okay.
This could be New Zealand or even Europe. We have bins like this. Pretty similar bins, but
Maybe another side of Australia? Oh no.
another side of Australia?
Yeah. Did you go like all over Australia?
No, not really. Actually, it could be some part of Australia. Yeah, that's right. Some other part of Australia. See? Number plates, St. Heliers. Oh, the bus is so similar too. Any other clue? Any other? Let's just go with Australia. Oceania. Let's just go with Western Australia. Perth. Oh, okay, 5,000 kilometers away. It was actually New Zealand.
New Zealand,
Wow, yeah. Pretty similar in infrastructure.
yeah. New Zealand is almost the same as Australia then, like, you know, like look-wise.
Yeah, that's right. Actually quite similar. The accent, people speaking and almost about infrastructure. Looks like Kevin's position is working here. Beautiful. 12 of... Wow, now it looks like it could fly. Beautiful.
Also,
Yeah, if this 15-minute candle closes bullish, I think you're on the good side.
I love the 1 hour close, so that's what.
Yep. Beautiful. Just risk management and that's it. Oh, beautiful. 15-minute close bullish. Still chances of pushing up here, breaking the high.
Yeah, I mean breaking.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
I feel like I want to hold this trade till new. Even the 15-minute looks nice, very nice.
Yeah, the first half of the month, November, the volume has just trimmed down. You know, it's like almost sort of a half of volume we used to see. No volume, literally no volume. First thing. Oh wow, this looks like India. So in Bangladesh, is the majority of people are they following a Muslim sort of a culture? Is that what it is?
Yeah, the majority is Islam, like the religion, but we have like big community of the Hindu people, and then like we have Buddhist people, the Christians, a lot of them,
All right.
and yeah. So there's a mix of everything, and one thing I've seen in Bangladesh, it's like no one gives a crap about which religion you're from.
That's good, yeah.
Yeah.
Really good, yeah. Yeah, the same about Nepal as well. You know, we actually don't give any single
Rat
attention.
fest.
Yeah, exactly. To what religion people are. You know. Yeah, they don't like people trying to convert other people to religion. For example, we have a real big hatred towards Christians coming in our country and trying to change people's religion to Christianity.
Really?
Yeah, actually.
There's like a big movement or something like that?
Yeah. We used to have like a big time movement. Almost sort of like they were offering money to change the.
What?
Yeah, exactly. Religion, yeah.
They're that desperate? Come on.
Yeah. Because at the end of the day, it's just another company, you know. Religion is just another company.
It's like, hey, we're running out of followers. Let's just buy some, man. Come on, let's just buy some.
That's right. Yep. Yeah.
So
Oh my
pathetic.
god. Yeah, different religions, different managers, you know, different people.
I mean, like, I think like people should promote, let's say, helping others or promote good health.
That's
Promote
right.
yoga, maybe. Like, I
Yeah.
don't know.
Yeah.
Something other than like religion, and you're just basically forcing that on someone else. It's not right.
It's not right. That's correct. That's absolutely correct. All right, Kevin's position is running here. So the 15-minute candle closed bullish previous 15-minute candle. This 15-minute candle breaking the high and also respected the previous 15-minute candle's low. At this point in time, it's actually looking good to push up here. Actually looking good in about 20 pips range if I was taking this trade, but I'm not taking this trade for now. I'm definitely okay about it.
Yeah.
And gold. It's rangy.
Should I follow onwards and just be like 10 pips and I'm out? Or should I let it run?
It looks like it's going to run, but just be careful about the news in the next 11 minutes. You know, if it's going to run before 11 minutes, yes, beautiful.
Break even. Little at break even. Even covering my commissions, I'm all good.
Good.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh,
Really don't like GJ anymore. This whole week. I've been just
exactly.
like kind of forcing trade on GJ, but yet I'm still right, so I'm just feeling okay.
Uh,
Yep.
Kevin, I'm gonna ask you something. Okay.
Yep. Yes.
Um. So the impulsive entry in the market, do you think it gives you more reward than just waiting and waiting patiently for a clear sign and then going in?
I mean, the answer to your question is yes and no. Because I don't know what your trading is like. Because my trading is like, even though I lose 60 to 70% of the time, when I win big. So overall, I'm like very profitable. So it's like I don't really care how many times I lose. But once I'm right, I have a RR of 10, sometimes even 1:11 at one trade. Usually. But if I'm really like on the right side of the market, it even goes to 1:20 RR. With just risking 6 to 7 pips. So depending on that, the answer to your question is yes.
Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Because you can see a lot of red, but if you see my win is like only one but big out of 10. Out of 10 red, there might be only one big win.
So out of 10 trades, you take one very big win that covers the other rest of the 9.
Yep.
Is it
Like
like that?
today,
Okay,
like today
nice.
I took like 4 losses and one win covered all of that.
Mm-hmm.
It's like all good. All of that and plus extra $100 just today.
It's not bad.
Yeah, it's alright. Even though in this ranging market I'm still making money, so I'm like, it's alright.
Yeah, it's like going in a very shitty move.
See, I'm out. Break even down. Okay. Okay, GJ is a no-go the whole week. Shit.
Yeah, hopefully we might get some move throughout today's North American session or tomorrow. Tomorrow too.
Yep, very bad GJ. I so don't want to look at GJ this week. I'm gone to GU. Starting tomorrow, I'll start looking at GU, not GJ.
Yeah,
I don't
GU.
know, but I'm loyal to GJ. Only want to
G,
look at GJ.
GU was beautiful, man. Sell. I was not looking at the charts, but GU sell was awesome clear.
Yep. I
50
6
pips.
I risked 6 pip just to get 24.
Uh-huh.
Not bad.
Bad, yeah.
Do you trade GU, Anush?
I look at GU. Yes, I used to trade GU a lot. But recently, more execution on GJ than anything else. Only GJ and gold.
Ah, GG.
Yeah, but
Beautiful.
GU is not bad. You know, it's sort of like it follows this auto flow a lot. When I say auto flow, it moves to an area where it's going to definitely reject, and it's going to move the opposite way. That means there's going to be a lot of clear traffic movement, like today's London session. Now, if you look at the price action, after breaking the support, the clear range on the left-hand side, the wick was the target, you know, and we achieved it. So that's what we want. So GU is okay. Definitely okay. Oh, wow. Gold is starting to push up here. Beautiful. All right.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I'm done.
All right. Mr. Kevin is going before the news. Okay.
Yep.
Righty, sir.
Pipsy.
Yeah.
What did he say? I couldn't understand.
You got your pips. Now you can get a good night's sleep.
Not really. I wanted like 20 pips, and I was like hoping to get out at 20 pips. Even though it's like small, I was like, just get 20 pips and I'm off for the day. Even right now, I'm in my head. I'm like, oh, I saw 120 pips. Which pair can I look at? I'm just going through all the pairs right now. I'm just looking at UJ right now. But I cannot
UJ.
yeah. Saying this. It's just too much
News
waiting, so I'm like, nah.
Yeah, the news is gonna come out in the next 4 minutes. It's yeah, I might actually place a you know what, I'm not gonna take a news trade here. Looks like unemployment claim might bring some volume in gold because it has been ranging from for almost about 2 days now. It's okay. Pretty okay. We might see a break above or below, which is good in gold. We want gold to break either 1831.60 or we want gold to start breaking 1823.60 and then start heading down.
Yeah. The unemployment news is gonna break in a couple of minutes.
Did you mean the unemployment claim is going to come in the next few minutes?
Yeah, you said something about a news coming in.
Yep. In the next 4 minutes. In the next
Is that the
4
CPI?
minutes. Yeah, CPI, core CPI, and unemployment claims all at the same time.
Alright, guys, I'll be off before the news kicks in.
All right. Otherwise, Kevin's gonna take another trade with the news.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before that happens, good night,
Yeah.
man.
In my head, I'm really looking for another trade. I'm literally looking for another trade.
Oh, we were here before. This is Greenland.
Alright, boys. Good night. Finally, I'm saying good night. Okay. I'm finally
Yep.
done thinking about it.
Good night, Kevin.
Alright, guys. Good night. Have a good
See you
day.
tomorrow.
Good night, Kev.
Yep.
Take care.
Alright, babush.
Chika.
Boom shakalaka.
What a way to go. He's the boom shakalaka and then boom. Gone.
Whenever I'm talking to this guy on my phone, it's like he's going like, Anuj, do you want to see a magic? Yes, I want to see a magic. And he goes 3, 2, 1, bang. This guy is just a legend.
Yeah, sense of humor is just like common sense. Like
That's
people say
right.
common sense is common sense, but it's not so common. Same like sense of humor, it's not common.
That's right, yeah. Yeah, I think gold's gonna break above here. The way it's moving, I mean, according to the news, it should push down, but the structure is just pretty clear to kind of push up here.
You call that a fake out, or like the news is gonna hit the market and then it's gonna flip on its ass.
Gold right now? Are you talking about gold?
Yeah, the news that's gonna come up.
Yeah, calling out this a fake out is kind of hard, but it's kind of hard, especially because the candles on the side. We have almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost sort of like a 7 candles printing side by side.
Mm-hmm.
So calling out a fake out right here is not appropriate. But a fake out here was something valid. Calling out this a fake out, this right here. This was a fake out. This was a fake out. The candles in gold price action is just been faking out people right now. Fake out, another fake out, another fake out in a smaller time frame. So not the best. All right, so in the next 10 seconds, we're gonna see the news. Ooh, it's starting to move here. Okay, let's look at the spread. Spread is getting higher. Oh, 4 pips. Oh, 3 pips. Spread.
Where do you see the spread, by the way?
It's going to be in your market watch tab in your terminal. Oh, wow. Pound yen is starting to push down here. Beautiful. Okay, this is something I was waiting for. Let's see. We want to see a break below 152.690. Let's see. 2690. 52.690.
I just gotta say one thing, man. Like, I love to see you trade. It's like the patience that you grab and sit on that chair. That's like respectable.
Oh yeah, we need patience, Reef, all the time. You know, patience. I think it took me a lot more time to realize that. Hey, man, you know what? I know it's gonna move somewhere, but I cannot rush because I realized this very late that, hey, you know what? If I want to win, I shouldn't do the things that the 90% of the losers do in the market. So basically, I don't take early trades, I don't take late trades, and I don't put myself in a dangerous position. Oh, now gold is moving down. Let's look at the news. Let's look at the news release here. News release. All right, so the unemployment claims numbers are not as good as expected. Is good. The numbers technically good than before, but not as good as expected. Core CPI is pretty good. The gold should be pushing down.
It'd be a clean move.
Oh, wow. This news is not enough for gold, so it's kind of interesting. So when is it going to break this level? When is it going to break that dirty range? It's kind of interesting. All right, so on Wednesday, November 17, we have retail sales. More than likely, that's going to move the market somewhere. Or even this Friday, we have the Treasury currency report. My eyes are going to be on these news events on November 13 and on November 17. That's going to be...
I saw a FOMC news in there.
FOMC.
But it's orange, right above the Treasury.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, we have FOMC as well. Yep, correct. Oh, we got job openings as well. This has been a very hot topic in US dollar market right now. Job openings and stuff. That's going to be something interesting as well.
People are quitting jobs left and right in states.
Yeah. It's like a great resignation, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, there's some shock effect in Australia as well from that state's great resignation and stuff.
You guys are seeing that too?
We are actually hearing about it in the news, but not sure how it's going to affect us exactly, but we are actually hearing about it. Oh, wow. Look at gold. Oh, my God. Gold. Oh, wow. Ooh, shit.
No way.
Oh, my God. All right. This is crazy. Yep.
What do you do here?
You kind of wait. You don't take a trade right on the top. 1831.60 finally broke. We finally broke 1831.60. The buying structure did make sense. At this point in time, candle obviously grabbed some liquidity at the bottom and is just pushing up. Wow.
I never saw this kind of volume. Like, this is my first time.
Yes, this is like the final few meats of the market, you know, and gold is pushing up. Wow. It looks like this is the target for gold. 1898.40 is the target now. Beautiful. Oh my God. All right.
What? I thought the news was
Wow.
supposed to push it the other way.
That's right. Yeah. This is what happens. The candles do whatever they like.
How many pips over there, by the way?
After the liquidity grab, so the liquidity grab
Yeah.
was in about 38 pips.
38.
And we moved up in about 155 pips.
And that happened in like a couple of seconds.
Oh, yep. That happened in like in a matter of
Maybe
2
a
minutes.
minute. Yeah. Minute or
2 minutes. Oh my God. There must be some sort of news release. Definitely some sort of news release.
Which news was it? Unemployment insurance
Wow.
claims.
The unemployment. Must be the unemployment that pushed the gold all the way up in this week ending November 6th. The advanced figure. Decrease. Decrease.
Yeah, consumer price and this shit also.
Wow. Yeah, this is actually going to be interesting because obviously we are pushing up after the news sort of effect, right? So what we might see is we might see this hourly candle sort of do a retracement, and that's a liquidity grab for the New York Stock Exchange if that's going to happen. And that's something we've seen a lot of times because it's pushed up pretty hard. For New York Stock Exchange, they are going to absorb the news somehow and retrace, grab liquidity, and then start pushing up. I mean, it's just shooting up pretty hard. Wow. Oh my God. This is solid. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
I couldn't believe my eyes. I'm like, how's that happening?
Wow. 70 pips.
Engorged. Okay. That was back in June
That's
When
right, June. Yep.
when it dropped.
Wow.
E- 1861.95.
That's right. 1861.95 is the new target here. New target. Wow. It's moving with this clear traffic on the left hand side. Clear traffic on the left hand side. It's just kind of mirroring the move from left hand side. A buy was expected in gold, and this is what's happening right now. Wow. A very, very fast move. So at this point in time, if I'm actually waiting for buys, what I'm going to wait for is I'm going to wait for the candle close, and I'm going to wait for that retracement. Now, I'm going to wait because Wednesday and Thursdays are the time when volume kicks in, and the volume's kicking in gold. So if buys are going to play out, I'm going to wait a little bit more, wait for the candle close. Definitely will anticipate a retracement. Retracement, grab liquidity, New York Stock Exchange, drive it even higher. Kind of waiting. Pound yen, we might see some volume release in pound yen as well. Waiting here.
Even in M5, M15, 30-minute, gold is looking like super.
Yeah.
But yeah, the retracement is necessary.
Gold is gonna shoot up higher.
Too much buying pressure for what? Because of the news?
Yeah, at the time of uncertainty, usually gold just starts pumping up. That's one of the things about gold, because it's a safe haven at the time of uncertainty. I don't see how it's imposing uncertainty. I mean, it's something to do with inflation, CPI. I mean, that could be the case, but the numbers are better than expected. Way better than expected. Core CPI and CPI. The only thing that actually could actually push gold up in a regular sense is unemployment claims, but it's technically good than last time, so it's kind of interesting. So waiting for NYSE. Either the market's going to correct the move and start pushing down, or we might see a retracement, and that retracement is going to be a beautiful sign for us to continue up. Waiting.
Yeah, it's only been like 40 minutes into the market, 42 minutes into the market open, so let's wait for that to close. I I respect the traders who have the guts, you know, to go in hot and heavy.
Yep.
And it's like they sort of like out of 10 trades they try to win big for two, 3 trades and don't really care for the rest of them. So I respect it, but I think the patience is the key to the long sustainable trading.
That's right. Yeah, patience is very important. Yeah, that's right. Wow. Right, in the next 15 to 20 minutes, we might see a retracement. So waiting for that. If it's just going to continue up, man, it's a shame, because it's hard to take a trade right here. Go into a smaller time frame, well, the candles are closing, the high time frame candles are closing, and basing oneself only on a smaller time frame structure could be a little haphazard. Right there.
M1, isn't it showing a like clear price action over there?
It is. It's actually showing pretty clear support here. Pretty clear support. Broke the support now. If the candles could retest the broken support, it's going to move even higher.
Yeah.
It's just wow. It's just moving up. You know, it's just it's just moving up.
People like gold. Come on, man. I need gold. Let's buy gold.
Yeah.
So, fully erect.
Fully erect. That's right. It's no longer flaccid. It's fully erect.
Gold is hard.
Gold is super hard. Oh wow.
It's crazy what a news does. Like I mean it's a beautiful thing that gold reacts this fast with just a couple of minutes of news hitting the market.
Yep. Wow. Today's daily candle has moved in about 195 pips.
In about
195 pips.
yeah, okay.
After breaking that 1831.60 final level.
The weekly bias was buy for gold, I guess.
Yep. Weekly bias, daily bias was definitely a buy. No
Yeah.
doubt on it. No doubt at all.
Although you saw moves like that way too many times, so it's not a surprise for you. But it's a huge surprise for me though.
Oh, I know. Yeah. Oh my God. Now, a lot of people, they would be taking sales just because they saw bad numbers, or actually, not bad numbers. They would be taking sales right after the news release, saying, "Oh, all right. Now the numbers were, according to my selling bias. Hey, guess what? I'm taking a sell. Boom, and the market just kills them right away."
Yeah, that's a account killer right there. Cause I mean, it depends. I mean, of course, it depends how many lots you're trading, but that's account killer even for substantial traders.
Yeah, it was definitely a buy. Definitely buy.
You're right. I mean, like some impulsive traders were thinking, "Hey, you know what? The news gonna hit, and this is gonna go down. It's gonna dunk. It's a slam dunk." But then it just
Yeah, exactly.
flew away.
Wow.
Speaking
Yeah.
of flying away, I'm getting myself a drone, I think.
Oh, is it?
Hello?
Yeah, like a huge, big ass drone.
Which company?
It's DJI. So
DJI. All right.
yeah, it's got a like I'm going through a broke. I'm not sure. So it's about like 5,000 USD,
Uh-huh.
but hopefully I'm gonna get it for 3,000, I guess.
All right.
Yeah, and guess what? This can do infrared and night vision.
Oh.
Heat-seeking cameras. Yeah, it's got like crazy cameras. So, yep.
What is buying? Who is that?
Hey,
Who is that?
Kevin's back.
I thought you slept.
Bro, how could I look at the charts, bro?
I don't know.
Kevin, you were not here, right?
Yeah,
The
no,
price-
I was looking. I was not here, but I was looking.
Oh my.
It's my browsing stuff.
This took a minute and a half, and it just shut up.
Yeah, I could have made like a grand today. Cute.
A grand, man. I'll be making like probably around, I don't know, 190 pips. So let's say I caught 50% of that, so 80 pips. So 80, that's like 8 into 3, which is that? To 3,
40.
16.
In GU, I was like two lots deep, and I just closed out
Uh-huh.
at 25,
Uh-huh.
or let's say 24 point something.
Uh-huh.
There was around 490 something, but now it's like exactly at 50 pips. Sheesh.
Oh, GU trade. Oh, you're talking about GU, not gold. All right.
Yeah,
Yep, that's
gold now. I don't know.
Oh, yep.
Gold.
Oh man, yeah. Whoever took a sell at around London session, they are on the best side.
Yup.
Because GU is more than likely going to attack this wick and in this area, Wow.
Especially with the news. And I guess like if you got that half of that gold news, then you'd be a couple thousand
Yeah,
for
I mean,
sleeping, I think.
that's right. So,
Oh, gold. I just saw gold. Oh, lol. It just flew. Bruh.
I know.
Yeah, anyways, me and gold is
Like we are divorced already, so
What? Divorced?
yep.
Why? I mean, you can always go back to your ex-wife, you know. It happens.
Nah, I prefer honesty. She cheated on me, so that's why I'm never going back. I'm never gonna let her in.
Yeah, Kevin's got a like integrity, hard integrity.
That's right.
What if your ex-wife is like super beautiful? Won't you go back?
Nah,
Oh, nice. Respect, man, respect.
never. See, she just shows you the good side first, and then be like, once you open the dress, you be like, voila, there you go, the darkness.
Oh my
Oh shit.
God.
Kevin's like, he didn't marry in real life, but the way he talks is like he got married, got a couple of kids, then then divorce happened, and I was like, I'm done, man.
God.
Ooh, GG. I think GG is on our periods.
All right.
All. I'm not hating or anything. I'm just being comedy, alright, guys. And I'm looking for, I don't know. Oh yeah, I actually cannot find any trade. I'm still looking for trades. I still wanted to hit 20 pips today.
Yeah, that's the mindset. Good. At least 20.
Yeah.
Man, I never seen that in gold ever.
The gold is super sexy, moves fast. Super sexy gold.
Did you see UZ? It just played out. Shit, I missed that. I was looking for retest. And actually, it did retest. Bruh.
Oh
Lol.
yeah.
Yeah, small retest there.
Yep. I even put a pending order and then I canceled it. I was like, nah, the news. It flew 24 pips. My TP was at 40. Alright, guys, I will be off to some movie. Talk to you tomorrow.
Right.
Talk to you tomorrow, Kevin.
Yep. Any movie recommendation fast? I actually am looking for movie. I don't know what to watch.
There's a movie called Terminal. Terminal by Tom Hanks.
Yeah, this seems it's a really beautiful movie. A little bit slow. I mean, if you want something like action type, then it's not gonna do that. But this is like really nice movie.
After a coup date explodes in his homeland, Victor knows something standard at Kennedy Airport. Lol. He's holding a password that nobody recognized. Wow. Seems so boring.
Yeah, it's in
Next.
New York airport.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, watch a good movie, Kev.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm just listening to music and sleep. Maybe. Or maybe I'll just look at chart and sleep. Lol.
Oh my god. Good. Right.
Ooh, GJ flying. Wallah. If only I didn't put that into break even, I would still be in profit. Oh, folks, sake, man.
Moved pretty well.
Yeah. 152.78 was my stop loss. Lucky I will not have been stopped out. Sheesh. Okay. What if tomorrow it's in an uptrend? That would be nice to see, and Look for a trade during London. GJ. Okay, I'm actually done, hey guys. I'm almost done.
Oh.
$15 minutes. It's showing a downward. Yeah, going down.
NYSE is opening in the next 39 minutes.
$18.26 to $18.49. Shit. It did retrace though.
Yeah. Yeah, one of the trades was here, right here. My magic keys
Yep.
didn't turn on. My magic keys actually didn't turn on. Otherwise, I would have taken a trade on the break of the high right here.
Yep.
Yeah, in about 19 pips, which is still good. 19 pips. Okay. Right. Now we're going to experience the hourly candle close in gold.
Yeah.
We might see a retracement, an obvious retracement.
It should. M5. There's a bullish engulfing and gold.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's pushing up. Yeah. Our candle is gonna close, and then we'll see exactly. It still might go up.
Wow. Pound yen is starting to push up too. Okay. Waiting for buys of 153.775.
Gonna take some time to hit that, I think.
Okay, so the hourly candle closed right here. There was the close of the 4-hour candle as well. A confident 4-hour candle bullish close, which is a good sign to further continue up. So any retracement is just a valid retracement to even continue even higher. So expecting a 4-hour candle to retrace a deeper, I would say 50% retracement will be a better opportunity. So moved up in about 248 pips, I would say, with the body. And yep, so somewhere around here, retracement to 1839 if it's going to happen. If that's not the case, I mean, we are still technically pushing up, so we might continue up, fill in the wick to 1861.95. The
Yep.
first few minutes of the new hourly candle, wow, we are going to push up here. 5-minute support.
Yeah, the
Nice.
buying pressure is really, really
High, yeah,
high.
exactly. Actually, right. Yep. We're gonna skip. Boom. Well, I'm thinking how I can catch it. This one. All right. 1-minute candle close. All right. Oh, yeah. I won't be able to catch this one.
What?
If this 1-minute candle closes and the next 1 minute does a retest, I'm gonna at it. But taking a trade right here, man, it's kind of delicate. Why the stop loss? And there's a very high potential for retracement. 1-minute candle closing, which is good. Good. Wow, yep, it's just gonna push
Yeah.
up here. No chance of hint. Wow. Up. Oh, yep, that's why I gotta wait.
Yes.
Right, so we 27 minutes away from the NYSE Open. New York Stock Exchange Open. Candles are just bulging up. Haven't seen NYSE retracement yet. There was a retracement. Looks like the buying pressure is pretty high. It is.
Pretty high. Yeah. We were expecting the selling pressure to go up after the news hit.
That's right. The market just whipped everybody out of the positions. Big whip. And one of the best ways to catch the move was probably to just place a buy stop above this resistance or above 1831.60. Because obviously, because of the structure, as we read earlier on, the bias was definitely a buy. And we just had to let the market do its thing. So one of the best things where to keep a buy stop. And as the market progressed, I mean, that was a very fast move and one of the hardest moves to sort of capitalize off of if you were not focusing. Right?
Yep.
So that was very fast.
Yeah, like this was a minute by minute game over here.
Yeah. Waiting for pound yen sell.
This might be the move from the big players to wipe out the little fish who were like, the news gonna hit, let's hit sell and then sell, but the market shot up. So
Yeah, I mean,
big boys got the money.
Yeah, the brutal honest about the market is there's always this big well, or there's always going to be this expertise out there which is going to move the market. We are nothing in the market, you know. So we have to put ourselves in that best position to win, and that's by telling us that, hey, news is not necessarily the event where we try and capitalize off of, or news event are not the best times when we are going to enter in the market, right? Obviously, a lot of people are trading with this bold mindset, saying, "Hey, you know what? News was bad. News was good. It's going to dump down." It didn't happen, right? So it didn't happen at all. So not a good decision. So we got to put ourselves in the best position to win, even if the expertise out there, the big players, they want to take our money. We shouldn't let them just take it. We got to make it harder for them to take it as well. And that's how we win. And that's how we set ourselves with the rules, right?
Right. We gotta put up a fight, but you can't just willy-nilly give it all away. It's not good.
No, that's right. Yeah. Oh, wow. Pound yen. Kevin's analysis is working out here.
Yeah, beautiful buy.
Yeah. Waiting for buys above 153.775. Waiting for sells below 152.690. Waiting for goals, heavy retracement. Let's see. Right, 1 a.m. in the morning. Wow.
It you sleep around like what, 3-ish, right?
Yeah, lately I can't sleep early. I don't know why. I just want to sleep late. Just playing guitar, you know, just
You play
vibing.
guitar at night?
Yeah, exactly. Just vibing around.
Wow.
Yeah. But I need to try and sleep. I definitely need to try and sleep because I have few of the projects I need to start.
Yeah, like
November.
you were saying last week about the NFP projects.
Yeah, NFT. That's right. And I mean, wow. I was talking to one of my friend, and he was pretty keen in it, and we were talking about ideas, initiating the project, a roadmap, this and that, arranging a Discord. Oh man, there's a lot of work. Making NFTs, all right, it's easy. It's easy to put your art in a blockchain if it's a simple art, but who's gonna buy it, right? You gotta sell the NFT. If it's gonna be something that people are wanting to buy, it has to have that special factor, you know, just like any other NFT. And yep, a lot of work, just a lot of work.
A lot of work, okay. But do you think it's gonna be like a long-term game for the NFT market?
Ooh, oh, sorry. I'm starting to yawn now. I think.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be. It could be a bubble. It could very well be a bubble, but I think it's gonna be there for some time. It's gonna be here for some time, and a lot of celebrities are trying to dip in this water, and a lot of investors are saying, hey, you know what? It's just like any other blockchain technology out there. You know, if it's going to be famous, just like Bitcoin, just like any other cryptocurrency, yeah, people are going to be engaged with it. It's going to have a market. And once that affluent sort of a population, they start seeing that, hey, you know what, NFT is just another way of just moving your money into an investment sort of a scheme, or you know what, I'm going to buy this as an asset, well, a digital asset. The world is going digital, 100% going digital. Now people are thinking more about cryptocurrency than buying a house.
Mhm.
So, yep, NFT is just another blockchain technology, and it has easy access to Ethereum and a lot of other coins. So I think it's going to be here for some time. So,
Yeah, for the last 2 years, I mean, I've seen the amazing move, like in the technological side around the world.
that's correct. Yeah.
People are almost losing faith in the actual assets that you see around you, and now people are going for the crypto and now the NFT stocks and everything. So
Yeah.
it's really, really nice.
Yeah. The only problem right now in NFT world is like there's more supply than demand, right? So there's more supply of arts, music, whatever that is. It's not as unique as one typical coin or one typical digital technology. So it's like a whole bunch of thing going on happening in a blockchain method. So that's why there's a lot of supply, because a lot of people just want to make money just by selling it. So there's a lot of supply, but less demand and not that high liquidity. That's the problem. But I think slowly it's going to pick up, because a lot of people, they just want to diversify their investments. I'm not sure how the big superannuation companies, the retirement fund managing companies out there, they're gonna see NFTs as long-term investment. But this is definitely something similar to crypto. Definitely something similar to Bitcoin or Ethereum and any other thing.
Yeah, a lot of big people are predicting like the crypto is not really a big like a long-term thing. It's like a bubble. It's gonna burst at any time, but not anytime soon though. It's gonna take a couple of years, but it's definitely gonna burst because governments and Fed, they won't really let crypto run the world, right? I mean, it's
Yeah,
loss for a lot of people.
that's right. In Australia, they're endorsing cryptos actually. The national
already.
banks, yeah, national banks are actually allowing people to buy cryptocurrencies or just do transaction through crypto sort of a coins from banking platform. So it's amazing. The government is trying to own the crypto too. Obviously, the government's not gonna let the crypto run on its own. The government's trying to take control over the crypto here.
They want a piece from this for themselves too. It's a growing market. Yeah, gold did a solid retracement, I guess, in 15 and 15.
Yeah, that's right. In the next 16 minutes, obviously, the NYSE market's going to open up. All right, so we might see candles pushing all the way up to 1861.95 here. That's the target for today. Moved up in about 230 pips. Now in about 82 pips away. The target is 82 pips away. Achievable. might achieve it.
You're like sitting there, just eyes big. Like, come on, hit the target.
Yeah. Oh wow, Kevin's analysis was on point. 40 pips in about 40 pips move. Nice. All right, so we just had a 15-minute candle close with a wick on the upside, showing signs of continuation. I mean, this weekly, this 15-minute candle hasn't made a low yet. We're just pushing up. A lot of buying pressure. I mean, bullish market is taking control over the candles here. We will see what's going to happen. A retracement, a healthy retracement could be something to look out for. I haven't taken any position yet. One of the best place to take a position was somewhere around here after the 5-minute engulf the previous 5-minute candle, or even here after two of these candle closed bullish. Confident bullish candle on the break of this high was a position right there, moved up in about 70 pips from that spot. Too late to execute. I actually opened my magic keys and yeah, too late to execute right there. Okay, now 5-minute candles making support trying to push up here.
Your alert system didn't work there?
No, the alerts, everything was okay, but my magic keys, I was turning it on just on then, right? And it just skipped the level. Boom.
Huh. Is that possible?
Oh wow. All right. Okay, all right. Wow. 1861.95.
You get in right now. How many pips will you be risking, and to gain how much?
Yeah, probably people buying here will more than likely keep stop loss around here, 47 pips. So yeah, 47 pips, and anticipating 1:1, probably just 47 or 56 pips all the way up. But for me, yeah, I just didn't take this trade. Honestly, I didn't take this trade.
Yeah, like 1:1 doesn't really sound that good. Very risky.
Yeah, 1:1. I mean, it's working out for the people who took it. Definitely working out. Yeah, I'm not a big fan right now. Taking entry right now definitely is a buy, but just I can't break my rule. I haven't seen that retracement. It just hasn't fulfilled my idea of position taking yet. Whoever's buying, man, they are banking. They're tanking and banking right now. But
Pumping. Yeah. But wherever there's pump, there will be a dump.
That's true.
What's this, by the way? The basket.
Oh, the JPY basket. So one of my friends from our group, he actually suggested, hey man, you gotta look at JPY basket. It's kind of interesting. And I looked into it. So the idea behind looking into it was all of the yen pair, not all of the, basically more correlating with pound yen in an inverse correlation. So for example, if yen basket 1 hour or 2 hour is bearish, so pound yen goes in the opposite direction, goes up. That's what's happening. On a micro level, that's what's happening. It's not true all the way around, or it's not true. It's not good to trade just basing ourselves on this factor, but it's interesting to see when these action happens. The
Okay, so
JPY basket.
you don't really trade this
No, I don't trade this. I just look into it as a reference.
as a reference for the pound yen.
Yes.
Ah, nice.
Wow, man. Oh, man. Yeah, I've definitely missed all of the entries for today. Just looked at the price action. Looks like NYSE is only going to sustain the move. And my entry point was somewhere around here only after the 15-minute retracement, and that never happened. So, beautiful. Beautiful experience here.
Stick with the gold only today, then probably you can get a trade in there somewhere. Can I ask you something, Anu?
Yeah.
Do you feel like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna trade USD, and at the same time I have to you know, do the pound JPY. So like, what do you say? Like, do you have some rule like that, or you're like, no, I just did gold USD and I'm good? I couldn't really see any clear action on the pound yen side, so I'm just gonna leave it for tomorrow or next time.
Actually, that could be one of the rules. Yeah, that could be one of the rules. Basically, what I want to see is pound yen. Why am I focusing on pound yen and gold mostly on pre-New York session? Because this is entirely a London and New York sort of a arena. Right? So if you look into the market, this is like a major volume and mostly manipulated market by London and New York. So that's why I want to stick around with pound yen and gold. But sometimes when it's like, hey, you know what, pound yen's really funny, I don't want to touch it. I mean, that could be an idea. That could be an idea. I'm just going to focus on gold. But what if gold is rangy as well? You don't want to force your trade. What I want to see is when I'm flipping around in pound yen and gold, I just want to see, okay, so gold is moving in such a consistent way. And in the same usual volume time, I've seen pound yen moving in the same way, moving consistent. And I just want to see that consistency, right? So if pound yen is moving up, I mean, yeah, we are seeing a consistency, but this is not the consistency I was waiting for. I was waiting for a sell. That's why I'm kind of flipping around. But yeah, you can definitely say, hey, you know what? One of the pairs rangy, and it doesn't look like it's going to break anytime soon. I'm just going to focus on gold. You can say that. You can definitely say that. That's what I do when I'm trading. For example, I used to trade pound AUD too, right? So lately, I've just cut down pound AUD from my watch list. I don't want to look at it. And basically, if pound yen and gold is ranging now, what do? I look into pound AUD because it makes sense around Asian session to look into pound AUD. So yeah, that's what happens.
Okay, so it's not like you're consistent with both the pair trading every day, like
Yes.
on a trading day, right? Okay,
That's right.
Okay.
That's right. I'm looking into gold and pound yen every time. If it's New York session, yes, every time.
Beautiful.
Yeah, but if it's London session, mostly pound yen. If it's London session, only.
Only pound yen, yeah, makes sense.
Six minutes away from the NYSE. I'm gonna wait here till the SE, and I'm gonna take a break after that, and we'll be calling it a day. I mean, it's good. Just looking at the market alone is also an experience. You know, seeing these sort of pumps.
Exactly.
Well, the structure, reading the market structure is just another checkpoint in our experience. So that's what we want to do. We read the
Yeah.
structure. Yeah.
It's never a loss to observe the market. You learn either ways.
Reef, do you suggest any action movies?
The one I told you last time, the Jason Bourne,
Mm-hmm.
BOURNE.
Yep.
Yeah, no. It's like a trilogy type thing. And the first one, if you see, you'll be so hooked into it. That I can promise you. Yeah, so you'll be so hooked into it, you like watching all of them.
All
It's
right.
kind of like a little bit towards the like spy kind of thing, spy action.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and the government, like secret military government projects with soldiers. So kind of interesting, and it's true, by the way.
It's a truly based story, is it?
Not exactly this, but the Russian military, Chinese military, and the U.S. military. I'm not really sure about the Iranian military, but they are trying to make super soldiers.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the mindset, the abilities, the strength. So they're doing the physical manipulation there.
Mm-hmm. I'll check
That was a small documentary, so it's kind of interesting.
if they have it on Netflix here. Or have it.
No, no, not. And Netflix is good, but not all movies are in there.
Yep.
Do you like classic movies, by the way?
Oh yeah, I love classic movies. Yeah.
Like the Terminal, Forrest Gump. I used to see the classic Bollywood too.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but not the biggest fan of Bollywood like Hollywood, but I still watch Bollywood. It's
That's right.
still
Yeah, yeah,
it's
we
still
we as
good.
well. Yeah, we as well. Yeah, Bollywood sometimes. Yeah, recently, amazing to watch and kind of be nostalgic.
Yeah. Back in the days, we used to watch so much Bollywood movies. Yet, I still can't speak. Like, I could, but I think I'm just gonna mess it up.
Uh-huh. Yeah, me
Yeah,
as well.
the
I,
he
I
she thing.
yeah, exactly. I do understand what they're
Yeah,
saying, but I
yeah.
can't sort of like reply fluently. I can understand what
Really,
they're
you
saying.
too?
Yeah, yeah,
Holy
yeah.
shit! I thought it was just me.
No,
The he she gets me, man. Like everything's got a he and a she.
that's right. Yep.
That's what's confusing to me. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I am just gonna like understand. I'm gonna reply in English.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't
Yep.
want to offend anyone's language. So
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it's the same. I do understand. No matter what speed they speak with, I do understand. But
yep.
replying, okay, a different story. Gold is definitely bullish here. 1861.95
Why?
is gonna be just another story. Bang, gonna hit that level. I mean, gold has been buy ever since the push here. And NYSE market is just gonna push it even higher. Okay. NYSE market in the next 20 seconds. Nice.
The buying pressure is really strong.
Yep.
I like it.
again. See. Wow. Got 195. Got to get hit here.
Yeah.
Nice. Beautiful.
It's about to touch your boundary.
What is 1861.95 in the books here? More than likely, let's see. More than likely. 4 minutes.
Amazing, you still didn't take a trade. You're like, there were a couple of buy moments over there, but you're like, still, it's okay, it's okay. You know, don't worry,
Yeah.
everything's still good.
Exactly.
Let's watch.
Okay, one of the moments here, that's when I actually missed it. The best one right here, missed it. I mean, there was another one here waiting for a deeper retest, never happened. Just continuation. Just
Yeah,
continuation.
don't worry,
here.
it's still gonna go to 1861.
Yeah.
95.
Wow, 1861 is getting hit here. 18. Oh, how are we gonna hit that? 1861, let's go. How are we gonna hit 1861? And all right, we got it. In the next 5 seconds, 5, let's go. 4, 3, 2, let's go. It's actually almost hit the target, so wow.
Yeah, the wick.
NYSE opened and we are shooting. Brilliant. After the news release, moved up in about 350 pips. And 50 pips.
To probably this is to wash out the weed from the mud.
Yep. Yeah, I mean the auto flow. This was expected. Definitely
This
an
was expected.
Yeah. If you look at the price action from somewhere around here, this was a very active demand area. Look at the price action, right? So, look at the price action from somewhere. Look at the order flow. We had a very high demand from here, pushed all the way up to here, and we started dumping down, slow dumping action. All right, dumping action. Okay, but again, we came back in the same active demand area, and one more tap for going up. We went all the way up to here at 2021 May. We started dumping down, active demand area, reaction one more time, started pushing up, not enough demand. Came back around the same vicinity, started pushing up, and still demandy sort of a action, pushing up. What we might see is some retracement in this, just so that we can push even higher. So this is the target, and another target on a daily sort of perspective is this. A lot of bullish action in gold.
Is that for maybe next year? Is it?
The price action in gold?
No, like for long-term bias.
Yeah, gold is always a long-term buy. Gold is always a long-term buy. It's as simple as that. You know, it's gonna retrace, but
yeah,
it's always a buy. That's just the way gold moves.
Yeah, gold price won't like really drop because it's gold, right?
Yeah, if it drops like a flash crash sort of event, it recovers in no time. It's crazy. It just recovers in no time. in a long term, gold is just buy. Ever since 2000s, ever since 2000s, it's just a buy.
Did it hit?
195 has been hit, and that was the target for today. And finally, I can sleep now because my target has been hit. Beautiful.
How many pips you got for gold?
What did you say?
How many pips did you get for gold?
I didn't catch gold. No, just
Oh, did catch gold?
yeah, just paper trade. Paper trade. This was my definite entry point right here. One of the entry here.
Two
Right
entry
here?
points.
One of the entry points right here, and another one was on a 5-minute. After this support right here.
Yep.
Entry. One entry around 1842, another entry around 1853.80, and that was like a definite entry points right there. First entry missed it because I was opening my magic key and too late. It just skipped the level. Boom. Ow.
Sorry about that.
He broke 1861.95. Wow. Now 1867.20 is the target.
Thereby for now. Yeah, if you go to 1867, should be good. Should be a good trade of the day. Oh, whoa. That's big.
Wow.
Is pound yen reacting to the gold as well? The USD? Do you
think there
think
was
there's some
a,
kind of connection?
There was a pound sort of in pound.
Yuki's frost. Drifting apart.
$70. All right, I'm gonna call it a day now. I'm gonna sleep and dream all gold move now. Dream. Beautiful. Hopefully,
Yeah, it was a nice day to observe.
Yeah, exactly. Hopefully, you could see a retracement too. That could add up to your experience, throughout the day. Lovely.
Yep. Yep, I'm gonna keep my eye on the gold. Absolutely.
Wow. Now, at this point in time, 1877.75 is the target. 1877.75. Now, big time movement.
Yeah, going to the moon again.
Little Fed entry in gold. This move was an anticipated move, and I didn't even caught a fraction of the move. That's the most sad part about it. It was just
That's
an
okay.
anticipated move. Yeah, it's definitely okay. You know, you see this every now and then, but yeah, this was like a clear anticipation of 1831.60. It's okay.
That's okay. It's gold. So some people are divorcing it left and right. So you know, you're at least still in the game. So it's
Yeah.
okay. And, you should get some sleep.
All
If you
right,
don't
Reef,
wanna
take
trade,
care.
yeah.
You take care. I'm gonna call it a day here. All right.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll see you tomorrow though. I'll talk to you tomorrow
Talk to you tomorrow. Take care.
for sure. Yeah. Sweet dreams, man.
Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams.
Good night.
All right, so the guys in the YouTube, take care. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna be back again. Try and catch the move in the market. Wow, gold was really fascinating today. Just a very hard move after the news release, and yeah, amazing move. Simply amazing. Until next time, you guys take care and have a beautiful time. Meet again.